So I guess that sort of proved the printers out technically, in that particular part and application. But obviously, there's a lot more to a printer than just one part. So there needs to be some sort of justification. It'd be great if you're able to just outline a bit about how the company came to that justification for the purchase.
Yeah, so when we looked at our business case, we looked at the cost of development tooling for this project. We had 48 varieties of one of the products we had to introduce and 24 varieties of the other. So just looking at soft tooling costs, if you were to machine all of those varieties of work folding out of aluminium, we started looking at a huge amount of time and money kind of investment into that. And also lead times on that development tooling. We were going to have to wait eight weeks if we got that outsourced, and you had to get it right first time on the development tooling at those timelines. So yeah, the business case was the cost of the development tooling, and also the speed that you could iterate those designs and get yourself to the end result.